Work contract in Kuwait, you're trapped until it ends? I was told exactly that. Some people said I couldn't leave. Others said I would get banned. A few even suggested illegal shortcuts. But after 1 year, I successfully left my contract through a legal process. In this video, I'm sharing my journey, the mistakes I made, the lessons I learned, and what every expatriate worker should know before making a decision that could affect their future in Kuwait. This is not legal advice. This is my personal experience. Let's get into it. Why I wanted to leave. When I first arrived in Kuwait, I was excited. Like many expatriates, I came with hopes of building a better future for myself and my family. I signed my contract and started working. At first, everything seemed normal. But as time went on, I began to realize that the situation wasn't what I expected. I started thinking about finding another opportunity. The problem was that I had not completed my contract period. That's when the confusion started. Every person I spoke to gave me a different answer. One person would say it was impossible. Another would say it was possible. Someone else would tell me a completely different story. I didn't know who to believe. The biggest mistake many workers make. One thing I learned quickly is that many workers rely on rumors. They listen to friends. They listen to social media. They listen to people who have never actually gone through the process themselves. This can be dangerous. A decision based on bad information can lead to serious problems. Instead of following rumors, I decided to focus on facts. I started researching. I asked questions. I visited the appropriate offices. I kept records of every conversation and every document. And that decision changed everything. The challenges I faced. The process wasn't quick. There were moments when I felt frustrated. There were times when I thought nothing was moving. Some days involved waiting. Other days involved collecting documents. There were occasions when I had to return because something wasn't complete. Anyone who has dealt with government procedures knows that patience is important. The biggest challenge wasn't the paperwork. It was staying calm when things didn't happen as fast as I wanted. But I reminded myself that following the legal path would protect me in the long run. So I kept going, one step at a time. What finally worked? Eventually, after following the proper procedures and meeting the requirements that applied to my situation, I was able to move forward legally. The process taught me something valuable. Knowledge is power. Many workers suffer unnecessary stress simply because they don't understand their options. When you understand the rules, ask the right questions, and follow the proper channels, your chances of achieving a positive outcome improve significantly. Here are the lessons I learned. Number 1, never make major decisions based on rumors. Number 2, keep copies of every document. Number 3, remain respectful when dealing with employers and government officials. Number 4, be patient. Legal processes often take time. And number 5, always verify information through official sources. These lessons saved me a lot of stress. Looking back, the journey wasn't easy. There were challenges. There was uncertainty. There were moments when I wanted quick answers. But staying on a legal path was the best decision I could have made. If you're currently facing a similar situation in Kuwait, I hope my story encourages you to seek accurate information and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. On this channel, we share real experiences, practical guidance, and important information for expatriates living and working in Kuwait. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.